In the realm of human relationships, one of the most sought-after skills is the ability to captivate a woman's interest swiftly and effortlessly. While this may come naturally with certain individuals, many men seek a universal key to unlock the mysteries of feminine desire. The question arises, are there universal techniques that can enchant any woman, or must one tailor their approach to each unique individual? Fortunately, modern science has delved deep into the intricacies of the human body and psyche. For women, arousal is often a psychological phenomenon, and understanding the nuances of female attraction can significantly enhance one's romantic pursuits. But what exactly are the mechanisms of attraction for women, and how can one leverage this knowledge to kindle desire? Before we explore 5 potent strategies to ignite feminine passion, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental pillars of attraction. There are 3 essential elements that generally resonate with women across the board, conveniently beginning with the letter P: protection, provision, and profession. While subtle, these factors provide a solid foundation for seduction. Now, let's delve into the clandestine practices of the most successful suitors, those who possess an innate ability to captivate women. Be forewarned, some of these techniques require genuine effort and dedication. 1. The power of physical presence. Contrary to popular belief, physical appearance plays a significant role in attraction. While personality is undoubtedly important, a well-maintained physique can be an instant catalyst for desire. A man who invests in his health and fitness demonstrates self-discipline and ambition, qualities that many women find irresistible. Moreover, a strong, athletic build subconsciously signals the ability to protect and provide, tapping into primal instincts. However, it's important to note that most women prefer a healthy, fit appearance rather than an excessively muscular physique. 2. The charisma of laughter. Humor is a powerful aphrodisiac. By eliciting genuine laughter and smiles, you create a positive emotional state that makes a woman more receptive to your advances. Science corroborates the effectiveness of this approach, as laughter induces a feel-good mindset that enhances overall receptivity. Mastering the art of playful banter, including subtle, good-natured teasing, can create a delightful tension that fuels chemistry and keeps the interaction exciting. 3. The allure of mystery. One common misstep in courtship is oversharing. While honesty is crucial, maintaining an air of mystery can be incredibly enticing. By revealing information judiciously, you pique curiosity and encourage her to invest emotionally in uncovering your depths. This approach creates a delicate balance between intrigue and accessibility, keeping her engaged and eager to learn more about you. 4. The language of touch. Physical contact, when executed with finesse, can be a powerful tool in building attraction. The key lies in subtlety and respect. Begin with innocuous touches, a gentle brush of the arm or a guiding hand on the back, to establish a physical connection. As comfort levels increase, more intimate gestures, such as tucking a stray hair behind her ear, can heighten the romantic atmosphere. Always be attuned to her reactions and respect boundaries. 5. The magnetism of confidence. Perhaps the most potent attribute in the arsenal of attraction is genuine confidence. Men who exude self-assurance often find that women are naturally drawn to them. This confidence stems from self-acceptance and a lack of fear regarding rejection. It's crucial to strike a balance between confidence and arrogance, as the latter can be off-putting. Instead, focus on projecting a self-assured demeanor that makes others feel at ease in your presence. By incorporating these refined techniques into your interactions, you can significantly enhance your ability to captivate and intrigue the opposite sex. Remember, true mastery lies not just in the application of these methods, but in the authentic integration of these qualities into your personality.